YEOREOBUN, Gamsahamnida. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is YEOREOBUN. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word YEOREOBUN. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 181. YEOREOBUN. YEOREOBUN. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is yo, second syllable is ro, the third syllable is bun. Pronounce it with me. YEOREOBUN. YEOREOBUN. The Korean word YEOREOBUN is actually used to say everyone. Again, YEOREOBUN means everyone. Now, how do we write YEOREOBUN in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the first syllable yo, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by the yo character. For the second syllable ro, we need to draw first a real character followed by the o character. For the last syllable bun, we need to draw first a beep character followed by an ul character followed by a neon character. And then we just have to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word YEOREOBUN. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, everyone, thank you. Again, it's everyone, thank you. The Korean translation of this sentence is YEOREOBUN, Gamsahamnida. Again, it's YEOREOBUN, Gamsahamnida. The first part of the sentence is YEOREOBUN, which is actually our word for today, and we already know that it means everyone. The second part of the sentence is Gamsahamnida, and this is a word that is already tackled on this channel. If you want to know more about it, you can click the link of the full lecture for this word. And looking back, again, Gamsahamnida is thank you. If we combine these two, it would result to a sentence that means thank you everyone or I thank everyone. It can also go as everyone, thank you. Looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence YEOREOBUN, Gamsahamnida is simply everyone, thank you. And with that, you've just learned YEOREOBUN. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 171 to 180. But don't forget our word for today, word number 181, YEOREOBUN, which means everyone. The first word for our review is word number 180, which is pizza, which pertains to the food pizza. Word number 179 is shiro, and this is used to say, I hate it. Word number 178 is hana, and this is the number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Word number 177 is 슬프다, and this is a verb which means to be sad. Word number 176 is 울지마, and this is an informal way of saying don't cry. Word number 175 is po or mo, and this is used to ask what. Word number 174 is 내가 or 내가, and this is a pronoun which means I or me. Word number 173 is hube, and this is the Korean term for a junior or someone younger in experience than you or me. Word number 172 is sonde, and this is the Korean term for a senior or someone who is older than us in terms of experience. And the last for our review is word number 171, 안 돼, and this is the informal way of saying no or no way. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.